Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can drag an object in Blender. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do is pretty simple, just select the object. In fact, I'll select both objects, and now we have to go to the move tool, and now we can move both of the objects. As you can see, click in the middle and the circle, and now if you want to move, you can also use the axis, and that's pretty much how you move objects. But you can also use hotkeys, that's what I use. It's more practical, at least for me. Press G on your keyboard, and now you can move the objects. I'm not going even to select the move tool, just select the objects and press G. Now I can move the object. I hope this short tutorial helped you and saved you some time. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.